and welcome. My name is Asmudi, and today I'm excited to share with you a little bit about my family. Family is such an important part of who we are, and I'd love to introduce you to the people who mean the most to me. So, let's dive in and get to know my extended family. This is my family tree and story. At the heart of our family are my beloved grandparents, Mr. Taib and Mrs. Napsia. As a devoted couple, they built a life centered on love and responsibility, raising their children with care and wisdom. They were blessed with three sons, Bahtiar, Abidinsyah, and Jamblus. Their eldest son, Bahtiar, is married to Yani. They are my father and mother, and together they have raised me and my siblings in a warm, supportive homes. Their children are Shahrijal, my older brother, who is known for his leadership and responsibility. Sarina, my older sister, a caring and thoughtful person who always look out for the family. Sri Wahyuni, my older sister, who brings warmth and joy with her careful personality. Asmudi, that's me, the youngest in the family, and I'm proud to share our story with you. As brothers and sisters, we share a strong bond, support one another, and continue to carry forward the values taught by our parents and grandparents. The second son, Abidin Shah, my uncle, is married to Rabiana. They have one son, Berdian Shah, my cousin, who is close to us and always feel like part of our immediate family. Talk a smaller brands. Their presence is deeply valued, and they remain closely connected to us. The youngest of the three brothers is Jamblus. He is currently unmarried and has no children, but he continues to play an important role in our family, always offering kind support and brings us together. In conclusion, my extended family is built on the foundation of love, unity, and mutual respect, values that have been passed down through generations. The legacy of my grandparents, Taib and Napsia, continues to guide and inspire us. Thank you for taking the time to hear my family story. It means a lot to me to share this with you.